again, guys, you're looking at your angles. You have 30, 60, 90, and 45 to add and subtract to get to your angles. It's much easier with degrees than with radians, but again, you're not going to have to do this. I will provide them for you. So here we have tangent of 105 degrees, which I can rewrite as the tangent of 60 degrees plus 45 degrees. Right? So now, if I go ahead and look at my tangent formula for the sum, I'm going to have, anyways, let's go and label these as u and v. Save some time, I'm not going to write down the formula. Because you guys have your formula on your formula sheet. So I'm just going to write it in here. So therefore, this is now equal to the tangent of tangent. Let's find tangent. So therefore, it's u plus v. So it's going to be the tangent of u plus the, I said I wasn't going to do that. Tangent of 60 degrees plus the tangent of 45 degrees all over 1 minus the tangent of 60 degrees times the tangent of 45 degrees. Yes, absolutely.
On this sheet it says cosine. You don't have tangent on it.
Sum and difference formulas.
Yeah, it says cosine.
The wrong one. I said we're using this one. This is the only one you're going to be allowed to use. That's the only one you'll be allowed on.
But like, if we did 45 plus 60 instead of 60 plus 45.
It wouldn't, well, your answer would still be the same. Yeah. OK, so let's go ahead and take a look at this one to evaluate. OK, so tangent of 60 degrees. Again, guys, we have to kind of go back to these 60. We got to know our tangents. Right? So hopefully you guys can see that if you're going to put your square root of 3 over 2, comma 1/2, that's square root of 3. So 60 degrees is square root of 3. That means 30 degrees, as we confirmed, is what? Square root of 3 over 3. You're going to need to know, though. That's going to come up quite a bit. So tangent of 60 degrees is just the square root of 3. Tangent of 45 degrees is 1. You guys agree with me on that? Right? Same thing over itself is always going to be 1. And then we have 1 minus the tangent of 60 degrees, which is square root of 3, times the tangent of 45 degrees, which again is 1. So that is perfectly fine, OK, for me as far as an answer. However, you guys more than likely are going to be asked to simplify this. Question? Since they're separated by addition, you can't do that across multiplication. So the only thing that we can do here is multiply by our close conjugate. And then what you'll have here, oops, I'm sorry, that's plus, right? Multiply by the conjugate. So then what we have up top is this now becomes, let's see, that's going to be 1 squared plus 2 square root of 3 plus 3 all over 1 minus square root of 3 squared. So that's going to be 1 minus 3. So therefore, this now equals 4 plus 2 square root of 3 all over negative 2. And then now you can divide everything out. So your final answer, which you would see as an answer selection, is going to look like that. It's not going to look like the answer of just evaluating. Okay? Now, I did skip some steps.